Meaning of give.
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 Give. The word give is a verb that means to transfer or present something to someone else. This can include physical objects, such as gifts or money, but also more intangible things like time, attention, or advice. Giving is often associated with generosity and kindness, and is an important aspect of many social interactions and relationships. However, giving can also involve sacrifice or obligation, and may be motivated by a desire for recognition or reciprocity. Overall, giving is a complex and multifaceted concept that plays a vital role in human society and culture.